Okay, again, trying to simplify this radical. It's a square root. It is the inverse of the square. So we need to try to get squares so that we can simplify the radical. In this case, I'm going to break this number down to two numbers that multiply to 25. I see that it ends in a 5, so my divisibility rule says that I can definitely divide by 5. So if I divide this by 5, it fits here twice, remainder of 2. The next number will be 25. So that would be 5 right there. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay? So same thing as 25 times 5. Or you can see it as, like $1.25. There's 5 quarters, right? I can continue this one as 5 times 5. And my branches are closed because I have reached my prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Numbers that can be divided by itself and 1. Two different numbers. Starts with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on and so forth. I cannot include the 1 because the 1 is only one number. It's got to be two different numbers. Therefore, that's where it finishes off. Square root of 125 is the same thing as saying 5 times 5 times 5. And I'm looking for pairs, because if I have a pair right here, right, this is by itself, but this is a pair, I can rewrite that as 5 squared, and it's under the square root. This is under the square root also, but it's by itself. I also have m4 under the square root. That's 4 m's. So that makes it what? I can rewrite that as m squared and another m squared because I got 4 of them. I can do the same thing for the p. I have 4 of them, so I can rewrite it as p to the 4 and another p to the 4 because I've got 4 p's. I've got 3 q's, so I can do q squared and the q because I've got 3 q's. Again, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. Oops, I messed up here. Sorry about that. This is not p4. This is going to be p squared and p squared because I've got 4 p's. So I can 2 and 2. There's 2 and 2. Sorry about that. But now you can cancel this one, you can cancel this one, and you can cancel this one. So this is gone, right? This is gone. This is gone. This is gone. 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 So I have the 5, I have the m, another m, I got a p, I got a p, and a q. The only number that came outside was this 5. I have 2 m's, so I'm going to write that as m squared. I got 2 p's, so I'm going to write that as p, oops, as p, as p squared. And I got the q, so I write that as q. And on the inside, I still have this 5 and this q. So on the inside, I'm going to have 5 q. And I have simplified the square root.